See, having McDonald's as long as you mention his name while he's singing. That's him in the background. You don't. It's not like a royalty. They're going for the long bang now.
Me?
Yeah, like your daughter wants to have long bangs.
No eat, guy, no eating crayon.
Now sharpen your teeth on those, on the wax.
Don't eat.
That's right. Just, all right, toss it.
To get by.
That's the way it has to be. That was second time around. Still sweet second.
Eating crayon.
Just, you're not supposed to put it in your mouth. Only in your hand. Just like your sister.
Yeah.
Why don't you get a taste?
Oh, look at it. Oh, no.
Oh, this one's empty. You know, driving me nuts this morning with her hair down in her eyes. Right, you were saying they were red. They both looked good now. Just give them a night's sleep.
I think it's the, what's called that?
Allergy?
Allergy. No, you're not supposed to touch that. No. Don't. Yeah, don't.
I wonder if she's got your sinuses or mine. We'll see. No, she knows how that. She's gonna make a mess once she. That'd be good. You could do a Faulkner episode here. One being what? Absalom, have her top knot get caught somewhere. Get caught in the swing. Now she can do that Bathsheba scene on top of the roof. Good thing there's no pecans in the pancakes, huh? Have a few of them Clearwater elk heads on the walls and eat them as you go. Little medallions in the brandy sauce.